Hello friends, welcome to C programming tutorial. Today we will look at loops in C. During programming you may come across scenarios when a program needs to repeat a part of code over and over again until a given condition is met. Let's take an example and try and understand what loops can do. When the above program is executed, system will print hello once on the screen. Now let's say we want hello to be printed 5 times on the screen. Then in that case we need to repeat this part of code at least 5 times so that when executed, system will write hello 5 times on the screen. C language supports 3 types of loops: for loop, while loop and do while loop. Now we'll see how for loop works. For loop will execute the code a specific number of times. The syntax for loop is as below: for bracket, initialization, semicolon, condition, semicolon, increment, and then the curly braces will include the part of code to be repeated. Let's take an example and understand how for loop can be implemented. Let's say we want to print your name 5 times on the screen. Since we want the name to be printed 5 times, the for loop must execute at least 5 times to print the name. So we set the initial value of I to 1 and condition will be I less than or equal to 5. Every time the loops execute, the condition will be checked to proceed further. Now let's see how the code executes. Initially, when the loop starts, the value of I will be set to 1. Then the condition will be checked, so 1 is less than or equal to 5, so the condition is true. Your name will be printed on the screen. Then, post the first iteration, the value of I will be incremented by 1, so now I will be 2. 2 is less than or equal to 5, the condition is true, your name will be printed again. Then I is incremented by 1, so I will be 3. 3 is less than or equal to 5, the condition is true, system will print your name again. Now I is equal to 4. 4 is less than or equal to 5. This condition is true. Your name will be printed again. Now I is incremented by 1, so it will be 5. 5 is not less than 5, but it is equal to 5. Condition is true. Your name will be printed. Now I is again incremented by 1, so I is equal to 6. And 6 less than or equal to 5. This condition is false. So your name will not be printed on the screen. Now for loop execution will stop and it will come out of the loop. It will continue further. While loop will execute the code until a given condition is met. Once a condition fails, a control will come out of the loop. The syntax for while loop will be as follows: while bracket condition, and the code to be executed will be within the curly braces. During the execution of the code, system initially checks if the condition is true. If the condition is true, the code will be executed. If the condition is false, the execution will stop and the control will move out of the loop and the code will execute further. For example, let's say you want to write hello on the screen 3 times, so the code will be I is equal to 1, that is the initial condition, while I is less than equal to 3, we will print hello, so printf hello, then I++, which will increment the counter by 1 post printing the name. When the code starts executing, initially the value for I will be 1. System will check 1 is less than or equal to 3. It will print hello and then I will be incremented by 1. So now the value for I will be 2. 2 is less than or equal to 3. System will print hello. I will be incremented by 1 again. So now the value for I will be 3. 3 is less than or equals to 3. The condition is true. 3 is equal to 3. So we system will print hello and I will be incremented to 4. Now
System will again check 4 is less than or equal to 3. This time the condition is not true, it is false. So instead of going in, it will come out of the loop. So the control comes out of the loop and then it will execute further. Do while loop. What we observed in while loop is that during execution in while loop, the condition is checked first and then the code is executed. So basically, if the condition is true, then the code is executed, else the code will not execute, the control will come out of the loop. Whereas in do while loop, the loop executes the code at least once and then checks if the condition is true. If the condition is true, then the loop will continue executing further, else the control will come out of the loop. So in case of do while, code will execute at least once. Initially, the code is executed and then we check for a condition. If the condition is true, the code is executed again, else execution stops and the control comes out of the loop.
That's all from my side. Thank you for watching.